Have you ever looked up at the night sky and seen a sudden streak of light? That's a shooting star, but did you know it's not a star at all? So, what is it? And why does it light up the sky? Despite their name, shooting stars have nothing to do with actual stars. They are tiny space rocks or dust particles called meteoroids. A meteoroid is a small piece of space debris. It could be a fragment of an asteroid, a piece of a comet, or even leftover material from the formation of the solar system. Most shooting stars are caused by micrometeoroids, tiny particles of space debris often no bigger than a grain of sand. While many shooting stars originate from these tiny dust particles, larger meteoroids can also enter the atmosphere, creating much brighter events known as fireballs. When a meteoroid enters Earth's atmosphere at super high speeds, air friction heats it up, making it glow. This glowing streak is called a meteor, or more commonly, a shooting star. Sometimes, Earth passes through clouds of debris left by comets. When this happens, we experience meteor showers with dozens or even hundreds of shooting stars per hour. One of the most famous examples is the Perseid meteor shower, which peaks around August 11th to 13th and can produce up to 100 meteors per hour. Why do they glow different colors? Their color depends on their chemical composition. Sodium produces a vibrant yellow. Magnesium gives a blue-green hue. Iron glows with an orange-yellow light, and calcium emits a violet. What happens if a meteor survives? Most meteors burn up completely, but if a chunk survives and hits the ground, it's called a meteorite. All right, let's pause for a moment. These terms can be confusing. Meteoroid, meteor, meteorite. Let's break it down so there's no more confusion. If a rock fragment freely drifts in space, we call it a meteoroid. If this meteoroid enters Earth's atmosphere and glows due to friction, we call it a meteor. You might know it as a shooting star. And if a part of this meteor survives the journey and reaches the Earth's surface, it's called a meteorite. Meteorites are incredibly valuable to scientists. They provide insights into the composition of asteroids, comets, and even other planets. Since meteorites are among the oldest materials in the solar system, they act like time capsules, revealing clues about planetary formation and cosmic history. So, when you wish on a shooting star, you're actually wishing on cosmic dust older than Earth itself. Thanks for watching! If you enjoyed learning about shooting stars, be sure to like and subscribe for more fascinating space facts.